What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, happy Thanksgiving. Today we're going to the runs. So if you guys have seen the last video, I did mention that I was trying to get my CRX ready to go to the runs, but I figured, you know what, I didn't want to break any more parts, so I am jumping in with the homie right now with his car, and we're going to the meetup spot. We got Eric in the back and we got Alex over there. So we got to the meetup spot, already packed, and we're actually headed out to the first spot right now. We didn't even park, we just headed to the first spot. See you guys there.
That again. I'm gonna do one and then I'm gonna go back with Alex.
Yeah, because we think the diff is fucked up. Oh, okay. Do like an easy launch or you want like a rollout launch?
Hey, where's water?
It up and then go straight, so you know your car's straight. Hey, toma tu cerveza, güey. That was front wheel drive. That was front wheel drive.
I got it. Hey, Tony on the left leg. They've been saying you're
That shit's pretty quick. We seen it at the end over there.
Yeah, he's quick.
Yeah.
Just fucking launch on the nigga hard, nigga. Boost right now before you take off.
Hey, hey.
Because he takes
Those
off
niggas
hard.
what the fuck out the way.
Who? Hey, watch out, watch out.
Straighten your car out.
Right there, right there.
Here's what happened the other day. Alright guys, so we're back home and I guess today was successful. The car drove back on its own power despite some of the little issues we were having. So after that second race, we pretty much just took the car back home and we're back here with the daily mobber, and that's pretty much gonna be it for racing today. If you guys have seen the last video, I did a wheel bearing for Joaquim's car. Now his wheel bearing got destroyed from the broken axle,
Transfer case.
broken transfer case, which I shown you guys a little earlier. The drive shaft U-joint destroyed itself, and now we're thinking the diff is messed up. The axle keeps popping out on the passenger side. How many times did we pop it back in?
Like 5 times.
Like 5 times? 5 times before each one of those races, and the car made it back home on its own power, which is important. The car is going to go down for some upgrades and stuff like that. So the first race was against a
PROCHARGED.
PROCHARGED vet, and that thing was, it was pretty damn fast. Yeah, but what was even faster was the second one. What was that?
5.0 truck.
5.0 truck, all-wheel drive,
Full bolt-ons, E85.
full bolt-ons, E85 on full slicks. That was even faster. Yeah, so guys, that is the Turkey Day run. Definitely gonna come out a little harder in 2021. I hope I get my car dialed in so we can get that car out there as well too. And there's gonna be some testing tunes that I'm still trying to get the all-wheel drive car out to, but we need to situate all of the problems that are persisting in our setups. And what I mean by problem is I just keep breaking axles, and the axles should be here, I hope, tomorrow for me. And then for him, just fixing all the broken things, the little stuff.
All the good things. One by one.
I wish I could have taken my car out today, but you know what? There were some really fast cars and I wanted to get the footage of this guy racing them, and that's what we did. Successful day for me and this guy, or at least for him, because, you know,
For both of us.
for the both of us, you know, the car drove home. That's what's important. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys want to see some more hood rat stuff like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, I need to finish the wagon. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.